Are you looking for the best technology to detect raw gold, minerals, and treasures? If you want to get what's in the ground of minerals, here is this high technology and the most guaranteed one at all. Be one of the owners of this high technology from Klayzer Technology. The Klayzer Gr Pro is a unique device that works in the most difficult types of terrain and in the most efficient way at a high level and high frequency waves, capable of penetrating the ground up to a depth of 20 meters. It also has a forward detection and spread ability of up to 2 kilometers in the long-range system and depths of up to 3 meters with the VLF audio system, in addition to the distinctive ability to determine the type of metal detected. Components of the Klayzer Gr Pro. 3 telescopic handles. Search coil G42. General coil waterproof search disc. G18 search coil. 4 pneumatic search handles which are used in long-range systems. Device headset. Screen. Home electric charger. Car electric charger. Two plastic screws. User manual. Installation and commissioning. All you have to do to install the device is to bring the special base for the handles and then install the 4 pneumatic handles one by one. 1. In the middle, the handle with insulating material will be installed vertically and its color is silver. 2. At the ends, the 2 similar handles are installed vertically, and they are also in silver, and at the bottom of each of them there are outlets for electrical connection. 3. Then the last handle is installed horizontally, and its color is golden. Four. In the next step, the sensor is installed on the golden handle. 5. Then the signal is picked up and the handle is ready for use. 6. After installing the handle, you must connect it to the main unit via the red and yellow wires. 7. Trace the colors of the sockets that will guide you where to put the red wire and where to put the yellow wire. Press the LRL button and choose the mode number 1 to work in the single system. Choose the type of metal you want to search for: gold, silver, copper, bronze, blank, and then press the Enter button. How to work on the long-range sensing system. 1 person. Before starting, you must give up belongings that affect the operation of the device, such as a wristwatch, a ring, a necklace, a mobile phone, a belt, a wallet, etc. When the device starts searching, indicators appear on the screen confirming that the device is sending and receiving signals that guide you directly toward the target. When any signal is obtained, the search wires will head toward the detected target. You must follow the signal, and when the signal receiver turns the slip, you will have passed the target. So confirm the direction of the target from the 4 directions to ensure that the target is accurately identified. The user must also limit the location of the search and determine the location of the target from the 4 directions. From south to north, from north to south, from west to east, from east to west. After determining the target from the 4 sides, an angle of 45 degrees must be taken to the right or left from the center of the target, and you must walk, and when you turn the search skewers, measure the distance from the point of the device to the center of the target, and the result will be the depth. To make it more clear, let's take an example. If the distance between the center of the target and the point of the device's inflection is 5 meters, then the depth will be 5 meters. The hidden compartment of the long-range sensing system. The handles of the device contain a hidden chamber that strongly supports the search frequency by adding a small piece of the metal that you want to choose in the search. Example: if you want to search for gold, put a small piece of gold and choose the type of target gold. This choice is up to you, as the device actually provides the highest level of performance to the user with a special combination of frequency and search knobs. The long-range search system, the 2-person opposing system. It is a system intended for use by 2 opposite persons at the same time through the use of a set of copper handles that contain 2 skewers at the end of each person. This system gives you the opportunity to work easily in difficult weather conditions such as mountainous areas because it is controlled by 2 people. How to install the 2-person system. The package contains 4 handles and 4 skewers. You must install the skewers with the pneumatic handles. General coil waterproof search disc. Connect each skewer to each other opposite each other. After installing the 2 knobs containing the outputs, connect them to the main unit via the red and yellow wires. How it works in the 2-person system. Turn on the device. Then choose the type of target you want to search for. Also, make sure the arms are in contact with the user's body. You will have to head to the south line and wait until you pick up the search antennas. When the search skewers are heading towards the target, advance toward the target by a distance of 30 meters and repeat the previous process and wait for the skewer's direction signal. If the skewers go in the same direction as before, head 20 meters and repeat the process again. In the event of a direction opposite to the previous signal, users will head towards the new signal at a distance of 5 meters. and the search process is repeated until a signal is obtained in the skewers. For example, the skewers go down or intersect them. If the skewers are facing upwards, you must change the direction of standing and repeat the previous process. Deep search system for minerals and spaces. This system is characterized by ease of use and high accuracy for detecting gold, treasures, and ancient coins to a depth of 3 meters. It is also characterized by its ability to distinguish gold, precious, and non-precious metals, as well as spaces, with the features of showing the type of detected target and depth with a centimeter accuracy. Steps to install the device in the deep search system for metals and spaces. Attach the lower-armed search coil G42, designated for this system. Secure with the plastic screw, making sure the arm outlets are toward the back. Connect the lower arm to the middle and the middle arm to the upper arm or stand. Ensure that the plate, device, and armrest are properly attached. Wrap the search coil cable around the arm and then attach the drive cable to the main unit and tighten the connector. How to work on the deep search system for minerals and spaces. Turn on the device and make sure that the search coil is raised from the ground about 30 centimeters while operating the device. Choose the type of balancing, automatic or manual. Choose automatic, for example. Raise the device slightly and press the OK button, and a screen will appear indicating that the device has been downloaded. Repeat the process until you see that the device has been calibrated. Then press Enter. The search screen appears. Make sure that the search coil is completely parallel to the ground and at a height of 3 to 5 centimeters from the ground, and start searching with a spiral motion, moving the disc to the right and left. Make sure the speed of moving the dial is medium, not fast. How are minerals distinguished in the deep search system? When a metal or vacuum signal is detected, the device, through the two-dimensional screen, shows the type of target, metal or vacuum. To select the type of target detected, press the disk button. Move the search coil away from the target a little, then go back and hover the search coil over the target to show you have the type of metal detected. To avoid losing small and deeper targets, it is preferable to move the search coil from right to left and left to right over the search area slowly. How is the depth of the target determined in the deep search system? After selecting the target type, you must press the menu button and go directly to the option to determine the depth and set the estimated target diameter, and then press the Enter button to show you the estimated depth of the detected target. Quick Search System. This system is used to detect surface targets such as raw gold and coins, and the search discs are capable of working underwater and diving to a depth of 1 meter, allowing you to move between land and water easily and work in all wet environments without any problem. To obtain high performance in this system in the most difficult terrain, it is recommended to calibrate the device to the ground through the automatic recognition settings. In the Quick Search system, the target results are displayed directly on a two-dimensional screen, with the advantage of distinguishing between existing targets by color and number as follows. The red color from 0 to 40 indicates iron. The golden color from 40 to 70 indicates metallic gold. The green color of the 70s and 90s indicates precious metals. Steps to install the device in the Quick Search system. The method of installing the device and preparing it to work in the fast mode is the same as in the previous system. You just have to choose the disk designated to use this system, General Coil Waterproof Search Disk, measuring 30 by 30. How to work on the Quick Search system. Turn on the device and make sure that the search coil is raised from the ground about 30 centimeters while operating the device. Choose the type of balancing, automatic or manual. Choose automatic, for example. Lift the device a little and press the OK button, and a screen will appear indicating that the device has been downloaded. Repeat the process until you see that the device has been calibrated. Then press Enter to show you the search screen. Make sure that the search coil is completely parallel to the ground and at a height of 3 to 5 centimeters from the ground, and start searching with a spiral motion, moving the disk to the right and left. Then press the F button to show you the Quick Search System screen. Make sure that the speed of moving the disk is medium and not fast. Pinpoint System. This system enables you to detect the smallest and most accurate nuggets of gold ore with great depths, and in this series, Klayzer Gr Pro is one step ahead of the other detectors in its class in terms of depth and ease of use, with the features of the Pinpointer system, which is included in the device. The search coil for this system is capable of working underwater and diving to a depth of 1 meter. Steps to install the device in the Pinpointer system. The installation method of this device is the same as in the previous system. You just have to install the appropriate disk to start the process, which is the search disk G18, and then adjust the calibration of the device. How does the Pinpointer system work? Turn on the device and make sure that the search coil is raised from the ground about 30 centimeters while operating the device. Choose the type of balancing, automatic or manual. Choose automatic, for example. Then, after that, a screen appears to the user and expresses the lifting of the device. Raise the device a little and press Enter. Then the user appears a screen that expresses the download of the device. The user must download the device, repeat the process until it appears to you that the device has been calibrated, then press Enter to show you the search screen. Then press the F button, then press the PP button, and start the search using this system. When the target is found, indicators appear on the device screen as follows. This system enables you to discover the smallest and finest nuggets of raw gold with unparalleled depths. By pressing the menu button, a list appears consisting of Adjust the Sound, Lighting Adjustment, Sensitivity Adjustment, Iron Cancellation, Vacuum Test, Select Language, Factory Settings, Depth Detection. Adjust the sound. Press the Enter button on the volume adjustment setting to adjust the volume that suits you. Then use the plus button to increase the volume and the minus button to lower it, and click Menu to install. Adjust the light. Press the Enter button on the light adjustment setting and adjust the screen brightness level that suits you using the plus button to raise the light level and the minus button to lower it, and click Menu to install. Adjust sensitivity. Press the Enter button on the sensitivity adjustment setting and adjust the sensitivity level using the plus button to raise the sensitivity level and the minus button to lower it. When lowering or raising the sensitivity, the user has to reset the ground balance as well. Abolition of iron. The Klayzer Gr Pro has the ability to permanently cancel non-precious metals such as iron, and this is done by pressing the Enter button when the iron cancellation option is selected. The vacuum test. It is a feature to detect cavities and voids in the ground. Click on the vacuum test option and pass the search coil over the target to determine if the target is in a vacuum or metal. Choose the language. Press the Enter button on the language option and choose the appropriate language for you. The device contains 6 international languages: German, English, French, Spanish, Turkish, and Arabic. Factory reset. This setting can easily reset the device software within minutes. Determining the depth. The depth of the target is determined by clicking on the option to select its depth and setting the estimated target diameter and pressing the Enter button to show you the estimated depth of the target. Possessed this high tech from Klayzer technology and was able to find gold, raw gold, and treasures in the ground. Have Klayzer Gr Pro because you deserve the best.